Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well, and today I've got another nice recipe to share with you. Lambcurry, and we're going to get straight into it as usual. Okay guys, to start off with, I'm going to get the lamb meat and put in some water, give it a boil. As soon as it comes to the first boil, throw that water away just to give it a bit of a clean, the mutton a clean. And I'm going to put, it's just over a kg I'm using. Bismillah. Okay guys, so once I give the lamb a quick boil and rinsed it, give it a wash, I'm going to start cooking it. So I'm going to need 1 cup of oil. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, whole cumin seeds they are. And a few curry leaves and about 4 cloves. There's about 4 or 5 small curry leaves there. And then I'm going to add 3 small onions. Bismillah. And I'm going to cook them until they're a nice goldy brown as usual. Once it starts going a nice goldy brown, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic chopped fine. Bismillah. Give that a mix then until the ginger and garlic goes nice goldy brown. Once the ginger and garlic goes nice goldy brown, I'm going to add the lamb in. Bismillah. Give that a good mix then. Okay, once the lamb starts to change colour, I'm going to start adding the herbs and spices in. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Bismillah. 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Bismillah. 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And salt to taste, I'm putting in 1 teaspoon. And then I'm going to give that a nice mix, so everything's nice and mixed in. Okay, I've given that a good mix and I've let it cook for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to add some water in it. I'm going to add that much water in so it helps it cook. Don't forget that the lamb's going to release his own water as well. Bismillah. So I've added 1 cup in. And then give that a good mix. Once I've added the water in and give it a good mix, I'm going to add 6 tomatoes, whole tomatoes. Bismillah. Just leave them on with the skin, we'll take the skin off after. Bismillah. That's 6 medium-ish tomatoes. So once I've added the tomatoes in, I've turned it to low heat and I'm going to cover it and let it simmer away and cook. Okay guys, this has been simmering away and I've let it simmer away till it goes nice and tender. So I'm just going to check it now. Bismillah. Oh, that smells lovely. So what I'm going to do now is just get rid of this skin off the tomatoes. Okay, so you'll take the skin off all the tomatoes. Okay, once you took all the skin off the tomatoes, then give it a nice mix. Look at that. Break all the tomatoes in there now. See the colour changing now, the tomatoes are broken up in there. Once you broke the tomatoes, then add the chilies to taste. I'm adding 5 chilies with slits in, whole chilies with slits in. And then give it a good mix again. Beautiful, that smells lovely. Nice dish this, restaurant style. Once you added the chilies in, let it cook for a bit and then just add some whole coriander, 1 tablespoon, and fenugreek leaves, 1 tablespoon, also known as kasturi methi. Then give it a good mix again. Beautiful this is. Absolutely beautiful. Mashallah. And I'm going to add 1 cup of coriander. Beautiful curry this is, I tell you. Once I've mixed it all up, I've turned it to low heat and I'm going to add some yogurt to it. 1 cup. Bismillah. And give it a good mix. Bismillah. Look at that now. Mashallah. So I've turned it to, once I've given it a mix, I've turned it to full heat and just carry on mixing it. Look at that. After adding the yogurt, I cooked it for about another 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add some garam masala on top. Bismillah. 1 teaspoon. Once I've turned it off and it's ready, so I'm just going to add some ginger on top. Bismillah. Just to give it a bit extra taste and nice look as well. And I'm going to add another 4 chilies, fresh chilies with slits in. That's it then, all done. I'll take it out and I'll show you. Bismillah. Mashallah, that looks lovely. Smells lovely as well. Mashallah guys, the Lambcurry is ready. A beautiful dish. And it's so easy to do guys, so you need to have a go at this one. Proper restaurant style. This is just a wonderful dish. Lambcurry. Mashallah, look at it. Like I said guys, there's nothing to it, so you need to have a go. It's so simple to do, it's just a beautiful curry. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. And thanks for watching. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum.